Today I am going to talk some words about engagement and the marriage in Arabic, English and Urdu. So let's start. خطوبة وزواج engagement and the marriage मंगनी और शादी خطوبة मंगनी engagement महरुन महर जहेज डाउरी जवाजुन शादी marriage लैलतुद दुखलती सुहागरात wedding night हामिलुन हामिला pregnant ईद मिलादिन योम पैदाइश birthday.
Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.